MoneyView referral code discount. Don't miss out. Hey everyone, looking for a personal loan with a sweet discount? This video is all about unlocking the MoneyView referral code discount on your processing fee. First things first, this discount is only for new users. If you haven't signed up for MoneyView yet, keep watching. Here's the secret sauce. Don't download the app directly. Use the special MoneyView referral link in the comments below. Make sure you see it before downloading. This link automatically connects you to the referral offer. Download the app through the link given in the comment box. Once downloaded, sign up and go through the loan application process. Enter the referral code. You'll find a section to apply referral codes during the process. Use the code, given in the comment box, to get your discount. That's it. By following these steps, you'll unlock the MoneyView referral code discount and save money on your processing fee. Already downloaded the app directly? Don't worry, there's still a chance. Unfortunately, you won't be eligible for the referral discount this time. But MoneyView referral codes never expire. Here's what you can do. Uninstall the app. Use the referral link in the comments to download it again. Follow the steps above with the referral code. Remember, the referral link is key. It connects you to the discount offer. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, download MoneyView, and get your loan with a sweet discount. Given referral link and code on the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips.